Okay, this is a very simple scene. So in order to change the pivot point, I will select the object, and on my keyboard I will press Control plus, I'll press the combination Control and full stop. All right. And now it enables me to move the pivot either in x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. So if I press G on my keyboard, it will allow me to move the pivot point in any axis I want. So for example, if I hold or press my middle mouse button near the x-axis, so it will snap to the x-axis, or if I want y-axis, or if I can press the Z key on my keyboard. And this is how we can modify the pivot point. And now in order to confirm it, we can repeat the combination on the keyboard, press Control and full stop. And if I try to rotate, you can see it is rotating along the new pivot point. Now let's see how we can snap the pivot point to another vertex. We will repeat the combination, press Control full stop. It will enable us to move the pivot point. And now if I press G on my keyboard and then bring the mouse nearer to a vertex that I want to snap, and then hold Control on the keyboard, and it will snap. So if I press the left, if I press with my left mouse button, it will accept it, and press Control full stop again to come out of the pivot mode. And now if I press rotate, it will rotate around the new pivot point. Okay, so this was it to change the pivot point. And for some reason, if you want to bring the pivot point to the center of the object, that is very simple. Just right click and set origin, select origin to geometry, and this will bring our pivot point back to the center of the object. All right, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.